So what you can also easily do inside of diagrams.net is you can disable the moving for different objects as well. So over here you can see that I have this object and I can move this freely, but if I want to lock it in place, that is if I want to disable moving, then all I need to do is go around over here onto the style section under the properties. You'll have the disable movement option right here. So you can see that there's the movable property that is being checked out. So simply disable it. Then what I can do is I will be able to select this shape, but I cannot click and drag it out. So you don't accidentally move it around. You can resize it, but you cannot move it right here. But you can go around and change out the other properties right here. So it's like partially locking your shapes right here so that they cannot be edited out. And that is how you can go around and disable the moving. But if you want to enable the moving back again, then simply go around over here and then just select out the movable checkbox, and then you can see that it is movable once more. So that is how you can disable moving and enable moving inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.